Hello, guys. How are you all doing? I hope you all are fine, especially after yesterday's notice. I hope you all are doing well. Honestly, I was really very upset about the two shifts, and I was crying when I saw it, when I read that thing. And until today afternoon, I was feeling very bad. But then I realized we don't have anything in our hands. Whatever decision is NMC takes, we have to follow it. We can't crib, we can't do anything. What we can do is just study. Uh, we have to keep giving our best. If the exam is tough, we have to make our preparation tougher than the exam. 3 months, almost 3 months are remaining, and we can do a lot in these 3 months. There are a lot of things can be done, a lot of things which can be changed in terms of your preparation level. So instead of cribbing, instead of crying, instead of thinking about it, instead of showing your outrage on social media, rather now just focus on your studies, guys. I mean, it's not a good decision, but we can't do anything. Okay, so don't think on that. Just do your part, and the rest everything, just leave it on God. Whatever happens, let it happen. Okay. And also, guys, about surgery, I haven't completed it yet, and I don't know why I'm not able to complete it. I am i wasted a lot today. I wasted my day today, actually. I am not being productive, basically, and I do not know why. And maybe it's because of the subject. I'm really bored now, and I can't keep wasting more on this subject. I will do this later, and I'm thinking to change the subject so that I can focus, and I need to change my approach as well, because depending upon the time duration which we have, and then I'll figure that out. Something I will definitely figure it out. Like I also said, I have to attend a wedding. It's a family wedding. So I'm occupied even in that, like shopping and everything. So once that is also done, I'll be free. It will be coming Sunday. Like for me, almost 2 days it will go on that traveling and everything. But from tomorrow, I'll be starting a new subject, and I will keep doing it. And also, I won't be posting regularly, guys. And yeah, because earlier, I used to like posting every day, but nowadays I don't feel that thing. And if I'm not able to feel it, I don't want to force myself to do such thing. I will update you guys once in a while, like what subjects I have completed, how I am doing, like that. But it won't be regular vlogs, okay? I hope you understand. And also, just 3 months are remaining, so I want to give my best as well. So, and I feel there is a bit distraction even in YouTube. But that said, I am here. Whatever comments, whatever questions, queries you have, don't hesitate to post. You can post on any of my videos, and also you have my mail ID. So you can use that, and I will definitely reply to your comments. Okay, so don't worry on that. And I do not know how many people watch my study vlogs, but even if it's helping one person, I'm I will be very happy. Okay. Also, guys, thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. Uh, Feels really happy, and I'm really grateful to you guys. Even though I won't be consistent now, but I assure you guys, after exam, uh, I will be posting regularly, and the content will be not just NEET PG, it will be much more. And you guys have trusted me and you have subscribed to my channel. So definitely I won't disappoint you guys. So thank you for it. But for now, our focus should be only this NEET PG. So yes, keep studying, guys. Keep revising. Everything will be fine at the end. You just have to do one thing, guys. Keep working towards your goal. Nobody can stop you, okay? If you have decided something, it's only you who can stop that happening. Stop that from happening. So always believe in yourself and things will get better. Eventually it will. And I don't know when will be my next vlog, but till then, take care and please study well, okay? And obviously, from tomorrow, I'll be starting a new subject. So I will update you whenever I post a vlog. Take care, guys. Good night.